Here I am going to discuss the KCET 2018 from the question 46 to 50, right? So the question number 46 is edge length of a cube is 300 picometer. Its body diagonal would be, they have asked, right? So if you have studied this solid state, there the derivation for body diagonal, if you know that, then you can easily solve this question, right? So one of the easiest question it is, but unless you know the formula, right? So see, let me change the color of the pen so that it will be visible to you, right? So this is a cube. Body diagonal means from here, from this corner to this corner is the body diagonal, and if I want to calculate this, I should know this and this, right? So if I name it like A, B, and this is C, AC will be A and BC. If we calculate BC, how to calculate BC? We have to calculate this and this. From this Pythagoras theorem we have to put. So BC will be like BC square is equal to, this is also A and this is also A. BC square is equal to A square plus A square. So BC square is nothing but the 2A square. BC square is nothing but the 2A square. And what is AC? AC I have written it as A. If I want to calculate AC square, it will be A square, right? So this is one formula and this is second formula. So it is there. So what is AB? AB square is equal to right, BC square plus AC square. What is BC square? 2A square. What is AC square? A square. So it is 3A square. So what is AB? AB is nothing but the root 3A. What is AB? AB is nothing but the body diagonal. What is AB? AB is nothing but the body diagonal. Once we got this formula, then we can easily calculate, right? So now it comes easy. So AB, body diagonal AB is nothing but root 3. A value they have given, how much it is? 300 picometer. They have given it to be 300 picometer, right? So root 3 value, you should know that 1.732 into 300 picometer, right? We know that 1.7 means almost 2 into 300 is nothing but 600 picometer. It is 1.7 means it will be little less than 600. Little less than 600 means it will be around 519.6 picometer. So answer is 519.6 picometer. So answer for the question 46 is 3. I hope the pen is visible. Let me take lighter pen only, right? So this is the answer for the question 46th. The question was interesting, right? So this is one of the easiest question. Even the 10th standard student who have learnt easily, he will answer it. Which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? So conductor of electricity means the three things will conduct. One is metals will conduct electricity. Why they conduct? Because of free electrons. Whereas solutions means, for example, NaCl, if I put it in water, it becomes Na plus and Cl minus. The ions will conduct the ions will conduct the electricity. Similarly, if I have NaCl solid, it won't conduct electricity. Why it won't conduct? Because see, Na plus will be there, it will be attracted by Cl minus. Cl minus will be attracted by Na plus. Na plus will be minus, like this, Cl minus Na plus, Cl minus Na plus. So this will be attracted by this will be attracted by this will be attracted. So there won't be any movement. As soon as we put in, so in solid state they are bad conductors. In solid state they are bad conductors. As soon as I put it in water, they becomes into ions, Na plus ions and Cl minus. They will conduct. As soon as I heat it, they become molten state. Molten state, Na plus can move, Cl minus will move because their ionic bond will be broken in molten state. So it will be in liquid state. In that they will conduct electricity. They conduct electricity. So So here, which of the following is not conducting? Not we have to mention, right? Solid NaCl won't conduct. Copper, it is a metal, it will conduct, no doubt. Fused NaCl means molten NaCl, it will also conduct. Brine solution means NaCl, saturated NaCl in water, right? So it will also conduct electricity. But which is not conducting? Solid NaCl will not conduct the electricity. So answer for the question number 47 is A. Coming to 48 question. So the question is, for a cell reaction involving two electron changes, E naught of cell they have given 0.3 volt at 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature is also very important. The equilibrium constant of the reaction is, right? So you have studied in the chapter electrochemistry that Nernst equation. Nernst equation. In Nernst equation, we have studied that E of cell is nothing but the E naught, standard electrode position E naught of cell, minus 2.303 RT upon NF log Q, right? So since the temperature, they have given the temperature, they have given the temperature around 25 degrees Celsius, right? They have given 25 degrees Celsius. So E of cell is nothing but E naught of cell minus 2.303, R value is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin, into temperature 25 plus 273, how much it is? Around 298 Kelvin, divided by N. How many electrons they have told? 2. F 96500 into log Q. This value 2.303 into 8.34 divided by this value. If you calculate, it will be E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.0591 upon this. I have kept it like this only 2 because it is N, right? N means the number of electrons involved. If it is 3, we have to take 3. Here it is 2, so I have taken 2 log Q, right? So this derivation you have studied in Nernst equation, right? So this is E of cell, and they have told the reaction is in equilibrium. See, the equilibrium constant we have to calculate. So the reaction is in equilibrium. So at equilibrium, E of cell will be 0. E of cell will be 0 volt, and Q will be K, equilibrium constant. K is what? Equilibrium constant. So what happens now? The above equation becomes E of cell is 0. So E naught of cell minus, if it is go there, so I will get E naught of cell is equal to minus 0.0, sorry, minus becomes plus now because it will go to this side. This as it is 0, if it is goes to this side, it becomes plus 0.0591 upon 2 log Q becomes K. So E naught of cell they have given how much? See, E naught of cell they have given it to be 0.3 volt. So just calculate. So 0.3 volt is equal to 0.0591 upon 2 log K. So this value will be around 0.3 volt divided by 0.0591 is almost equal to 0.06, right? 0.06 divided by 2 is almost equal to 0.03. So it is 0.03 log K. I have to calculate K, equilibrium constant, right? So if I send it here, it will be like log K is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.03, which will be equal to 10. So log means what? Log to the base 10, it is K is equal to 10. If I take log to this side, it becomes anti-log. So K value will be almost anti-log of 10 is nothing but 10 to the power 10. So this is the value of K, equilibrium constant. So what is the answer? 10 to the power 10. Fourth, or the D is the option. If you don't know the formula and this simple mathematics calculation, then you can't solve such problems, right? So I am not gonna help you for this, right? You should know that. So coming to the question number 49. The question number 49, the value of rate constant of pseudo first order reaction, right? So see, first order reaction means what? Pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo first order reaction means here I have reactant A and B. A will be in little amount, B will be in excess. P will be excess. So that if product formed, rate doesn't depend on this excess, only it depends upon little amount. Why? Because excess B is there, little change in concentration doesn't matter. So rate of reaction is nothing but the K into concentration of A. B is ignored because change in concentration of B is very small because we have taken it in excess. So such a reaction we call it as pseudo first order reaction. It means the higher order, see here A and B both are there, the higher order reaction becomes first order reaction when one or the other reagents are excess. So this is nothing but the pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo first order reaction, right? So the rate depends upon the less amount, less concentrated concentration of reactant, but this rate constant depends upon the excess B also. So what they are told, the value of rate constant, they are asking about K, rate constant of pseudo first order reaction. You should remember that it depends on the concentration of the reactant present in excess, right? Rate depends upon only the concentration of that reactant which is in limited or small quantity, but the rate constant, that is K, depends upon the concentration of the reactant which is in excess. So this is the correct option for the answer, right? So C or the third is the option for the question number 49. So you have to remember that the value of rate constant of pseudo first order reaction depends upon the concentration of the reactant present in what? Excess. Everything I have read it from question and answer, right? So you have to make it and make a star mark for this, right? So this is about question number 49. Coming to question number 50, right? This is from the class 11th P block elements, right? So last question of this video. So one of the interesting questions. See, CH3 thrice SiCl is used during the polymerization of organosilicones, because see, organosilicones means this one, silicon will be there. Here one methyl group, methyl means you understood, right? CH3 group we call it as methyl or CH3 will write, right? Here also CH3 group will be there, here OH and here OH. If I take n molecules of this organosilicones, they will polymerize like this: silicon, CH3, CH3, OH, O, silicon, CH3, CH3, O, silicon, CH3, CH3, O, like this chain continues, right? To block this chain or to stop this chain, we add this one, CH3 thrice SiCl, CH3 thrice SiCl. What does it do? See, initially it was continuing like this, CH3, CH3, O, H, Si, CH3, CH3, O. Since I am adding this one, CH3, CH3, instead of OH here, I will be having CH3. So it is what? SiCH3Cl. This chlorine will leave the system and this blocks this. So what I'll get? I'll get this thing: silicon, CH3, CH3, O, Si, CH3, CH3, O bonded to silicon, which is stopped now. Why? Because here I don't have OH, here I have CH3. So this we use. What this means? SiCH3 thrice Cl we use to block or to stop the polymerization. So the answer for the reaction is A. See, the 50th question is, the chain length of organosilicon polymerization can be controlled by adding CH3 SiCl, because it stops or it blocks the polymerization. So we use this CH3 thrice, it is they have CH3 thrice SiCl. So answer for the 50th question is A. Thank you.